Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. This is another episode in my vlog section and I'm hoping that you're having a great day. Without wasting any time, let's get back into the vlog. Yeah.
Hey, oil, hey.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. This is another episode in my vlog section. Enjoy the vlog with me. Bye bye.
So today we are going to one of my favorite places, which is very much underrated for photography, but it is a very beautiful place. And me and Saitesha especially hang out there. Not a lot, but you know, when it's so calm and all. The past week was very damp and it was raining almost every day. So you know, it is really special for the location where I'm going. So yeah, I'll also show you the location. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah. Meanwhile, in the kitchen.
Kulcha Sim.
Hi guys. So the location that I have told you was actually closed and we couldn't go there. We planned for it. We planned for the shots at that place, but the place was closed. I don't know why. There were cops all around that place. It was a public place, but still. So yeah, we decided to come further ahead and we came to this amazing place. I mean, look at the place, how sick it is. Anyways, continuing with the vlog. Well, I also thought of sharing few tips to how to film in a better way. So yeah, let's go with that. I would shamelessly call this a failed vlog because the location where we wanted to shoot is closed. The sun has not showed up again. You know, while traveling back, it's again a normal day. It is not even sunny. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, initially it's a failed vlog. So yeah, let's go. Well, my first tip would be to shoot in a flat profile. My major suggestions to shoot in a flat profile is for two reasons. One is that while shooting in a flat profile, you'll have a higher dynamic range, which is very helpful to grab more details in your footage. And also, by shooting in a flat profile, as the colors will mostly be in neutral and no color will be more consumed in the video, in the footage, you will be having more flexibility in playing with the footage, in color grading, in the post-processing. My second tip would be never settle down for the normal shot. Shoot something unique or add a subject or element into your shot so that the shot is more creative, more lively to look at. Because with a normal frame and no subject in your shot, the shot would be very generic and it would not look great to watch. So my second tip would be shoot something unique, shoot the shot in a unique way or add an element or a subject into the frame. Third tip would be drive your whole video or whole film with a story. Without a story or without a sequence to relate, the whole video would be pointless. It would look beautiful, it would look great, but the whole video would be pointless. You know, there needs to be something to get from it to add some value to the whole film. So yeah. My most important and my fourth tip would be keep shooting. I mean, when you have a thought, when you have a script in your head, just keep shooting. Just do not compromise on the visuals that you had in your head. keep trying, just keep shooting until you get the perfect shot that you have thought of, or at least I would say at least 85 to 90% of the shot that you have thought of. So yeah, those would be my 4 tips to make your footage cinematic in camera. Let's also get back to the vlog. So another important thing that I forgot to tell you, shoot with a zoom lens or prime lens. I mean, my primary suggestion would be a prime lens, or else shoot with a zoom lens so that you'll have a lot of depth in whatever you shoot, and the whole video would look more darker and more cinematic to watch. So right now, as we are in this beautiful enough location, I'll be shooting the whole video or maybe the whole cinematic thing with my zoom lens, that is the 55 to 250 mm lens. And let's check out the results, and I'll also take few pictures as usual, so I'll be showing you in the end of the video. So yeah, do not forget to watch the video till the end. Yeah. If you like the video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to notify you with my next video. That would be probably in the next week. So yeah, until then, peace out.